Hi girls, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my It Girl Classy Fall makeup step by step. One of my favorite makeups of actually not only fall but for any season. Let's just quickly start the video. I already did my skincare routine and I have filmed it in another video. I will put it here so you can watch that as well. And now let's start the makeup. I put my primer on and I used this Embryolisse primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Steel Lauder Double Wear foundation in shade 2C2 Pale Almond. It's this, and I'm gonna use a brush like this. This foundation is a full cover foundation and you should not use it on daily basis because your skin will get damaged if you use any foundations actually, but full cover foundations just make it worse. Just use something that has SPF on it and moisturizer and you're good for your daily makeup. And also don't use too much foundation, just make your skin even with it and don't go extra on it. If you have very dark under eyes, use a color corrector under your eyes. I sometimes use this Pro Conceal by LA Girl, but now I'm not gonna use it. And then if you have as I said, darker under eyes, use a concealer that has orange undertone on it and is near to your skin color, and then use a brighter concealer. For me, I'm gonna use these two NARS concealers, and if you just use a light concealer that is so much lighter than your own skin tone, it's not gonna conceal the dark spots, and actually the dark spots will get more bold. I think bolder or more bold, I don't know. But yeah, if you use this method, you're gonna thank me later. I think everyone knows this kind of things, but I'm gonna say it anyways. I love getting ready. It's one of the most girly things ever. But I don't like getting ready when I'm in a hurry, and I don't like anything when I'm stressed actually, or I'm in a rush. I'm gonna put another layer of concealer at the end of my makeup, but for now we're good. Then I'm gonna use this Glam contour. It has a cold undertone and it's good for contour, even though I don't like Glam, but this one is good. I use it under my cheekbone, under my jaw. It's a brush like this, and I'm gonna fade it upwards. Guerlain Terracotta bronzer in shade 1. This is my all-time favorite bronzer. You can see I have to buy I don't know what I'm gonna use next. For my eyes, I don't know if I should use a brown eye pencil or a black one. Revolution eyeshadow palette. It's in Reloaded, this one. I use this Maybelline mascara, a little bit of this NARS Orgasm liquid blush, this much, and see. I love it. For my lip prep, I always use this Dior Lip Glow in shade 1. I already applied it, so I'm not gonna apply it anymore. I never apply this tint on dry lips because it will look so bad. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in shade Pillow Talk. I have it in mini. Little here, a little here. And I also apply it on my lips. I love the finishing look of it. Last layer. Then I use a little bit of this NARS Dolce Vita creamy lipstick. And for the last part, I use this Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder just to get the oil. For the last part, you can use a setting spray if you want to. Today I'm not gonna use it, but it's optional. And yeah, this is my It Girl makeup look that I find it so classy and chic, and I just love it. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your opinion in the comments and feel free to ask or say anything. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.